Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. Today we're recreating this makeup look that I'm wearing on my face right now. So if you really like it, then you should probably stay tuned because today we're about to use only one eyeshadow palette. This is, by the way, BH Studio Pro eyeshadow palette, and it has a lot of different shadows. So yes, and of course we are about to use like two pencils. The first one is from Essence. This is brow pencil. I don't know, probably like $2. And this one I bought somewhere in the supermarket. It's an eye pencil, and I am about to use this in my video. So the final cost of this whole thing is about like $30 probably, but we are gonna use only one eyeshadow palette to create this look, aside from foundation, concealer, and powder. And if you're interested how I get this makeup look, then please keep on watching, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Okay guys, have you ever felt like you have only $30 in the pocket, but you really need a lot of different products? Aside from, I don't know, foundation, concealer, and powder, because this is kind of like our base and we're absolutely nude right now. So we have to add a little bit of a color. But you realize that, all this really nice beauty gurus, kind of like tutorials, they're amazing, but they have to buy a lot of different products. And what if you don't really have that much money? Here comes one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. This row is gonna work absolutely amazing if you don't have a highlighter. This row is really good for a brow bone. This row is amazing if you're kind of like creating something dark, some smoky eyes. And this row is just to kind of like recreate something amazing. So you have a great range from kind of like deep browns to highlighters, like really light colors. And this is what we're gonna use for the whole makeup look. The cost of this eyeshadow palette is $28. You can check out on the official website from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna start off with my brows first. So we are gonna create some lines. Then you have to fill in your brow. And of course we do really need to fill in my brow with a little bit more of the color. So here comes this eyeshadow palette. My pen, where I'm gonna kind of like pick something really cool. I mean the coolest tone, I guess this one. Yes, and this is just perfect. I did complete my brows off the camera and it went out pretty much decent. In case if you don't really have enough products, this is the way out. Now I'm gonna bronze up my face. So here comes a little bit different, kind of like a little bit warm shades, and I would use this tones because I do have one from Wet n Wild contour palette from Wet n Wild, and it is really kind of like soft. That's why I'm gonna use them. I don't really have to use this shades because they're a little bit orangey. I'm gonna pick these colors, and before you start, swatch these shades first. No, you have 3 different shades, and probably probably this one. Oh, please don't mind my hand. It has some bit on it. I was kind of like cooking some soup. I think I'd say that probably the best one is this color. Probably, not that orangey. I'd love to have something with a little bit more kind of like pink undertone. I guess I'm gonna grab this kind of like color from the first row. And of course, just a tiniest bit on my forehead. If you want to do a nose contour, if you're a nose contour girl, then just go for it. I'm gonna show you which color I'm about to use to create my nose contour. I think that I need something kind of like this with a little bit grayish undertone, because again, I wanna make sure that my nose is not kind of like orangey. So I'm kind of like creating this really thin line and start diffusing these edges. Okay, I'm gonna grab the same two shades on my brush and apply a little bit on the tip of my nose. So I'm gonna diffuse this edges just a little bit with my beauty blender. And of course, if you want to clean the edge, you can definitely go to your powder. You can do, with the help of this pen, your brows, your contour, your nose contour, your eyes, your highlighter, so everything. I'm gonna do my highlighter. So as a highlighter, I'm gonna use this kind of like pinky highlighter. If you need something more kind of like bronzy and yellowy, you can definitely go to this color or this one or this yellowy. You can actually pick any color on your brush. I love something with my kind of like pinky undertone as a highlighter. This is amazing. I mean, look at this. This shade is everything, so you don't really have to buy any highlighter with the Sasha palette. Look at this. Yeah. Hello glitter. Hello shine. And it's like boom, boom, just drop it. A little bit more between my brows, just like this. I'm a Cupid's bow. And of course, a little bit on my nose bridge. Oh my god, look at this. Guys, like one eyeshadow palette, can you believe it? So we have a lot of different options here to create my eyes, but I'm gonna show you something really simple but super casual and glamorous. I showed you right at the beginning of the video that I'm gonna use my pencil that I bought somewhere like in the supermarket. I don't even remember which one. I'm gonna kind of like create some depth. By the way, your kind of like eye pencil has to be creamy. I'd say it has to be creamy. I guess sometimes affordable products are even better than just some super expensive products. And I'm gonna kind of like create this V shape. You just know that I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my fluffy blending brush, and the color I'm picking has to be a little bit kind of like orangey. I'm gonna grab this one right in the center and start kind of like mixing this into my shimmery shade. And then I want to add this kind of like golden color mixed with this lemon one, and just a little bit. If you want to clean the edge, just use your beauty blender, and just a little bit, nothing crazy, because it looks kind of like messy, but pretty messy. And with my fluffy brush and the same color that I use as a highlighter, I'm just gonna grab it on my brush and start tap it off and apply a little bit on my brow bone. So yes, this looks amazing. I'm gonna go with the same colors on my lower lid. And of course, with my flat brush and the shimmer color, accomplish my inner corner. Usually with this kind of like casual style makeup look, I don't use any black eyeliner. I just use my mascara and that's it. Done. So I'm gonna do real quick my left eye off the camera and I'll be right back. Okay, my sweet little loves, with this makeup look, it's gonna work out amazing if you use any color, any lip gloss, any lipstick. Okay, let's use Vivien Sabo 401. This is really affordable as well. Dude, goes really well with this makeup look. Like this. And of course use some setting spray. I did this off the camera. Okay guys, this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video because today we used only one eyeshadow palette. So I hope you liked this video. If you didn't, let me know in the comments, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. If you didn't, then please let me know what you didn't like about this video because I'm kind of like learning. So I hope to see you in my next video, my glowy baby boobs. So I guess till the next time, bye bye.